Welcome back, friends, to another video from the Indian Diecast collector. Friends, today we are going to check out one of the most exciting sets. This is the HotWheels Silver Series Fast and Furious set. This is the ZAMAC style set. So we will review all the 5 legendary cars which we have in this set today. This is, I believe, one of the fan favorite set. If you are a Fast and Furious fan, you will definitely like all the cars from this casting. Today we are doing a detailed review of each and every car from this set. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start this video. So friends, the first car is the 1993 Honda Civic Coupe EJ1. And if you are a fan of the very first movie, the Fast and Furious 2001 movie, you will recognize this car immediately. These Civics were used by Dominic Toretto's crew during their famous highway truck hijackings. So this car was used in that scene. Now this is not a black Civic, but this is a silver one. It looks cool. The silver paint looks incredibly clean and premium. The black wheels perfectly complement the overall appearance. Aggressive street racing stance. You can check out the proportions. It's excellent. The casting captures the sleek lines of the real Civic beautifully. You can check out the front bumper, side profile, the rear spoiler, and window shape. They all look very accurate. You can also see the sunroof. One thing I especially like about this set and all the castings, in fact, there are no unnecessary graphics. It's just very clean silver finish that looks very amazing. And if you look at the car art, Hot Wheels has just nailed it. The artwork almost looks like a movie poster, making this card highly display worthy. It's one of the very beautiful castings from this set. And if we check the MRP of this set, it's $299. So there's no revised sticker. Let's check out the second casting. The second casting from this set is the 1970 Dodge Charger, an iconic car. This is the Dom's signature car from that movie. You can check out the supercharger sticking out of the hood immediately. Perfect silver finish. Pure muscle car. This gives a fresh premium appearance to this casting. The iconic casting was black, but this silver finish, it looks cool. You can see how it shines in the light. Perfect stance. Muscular, low and wide. Beautiful details at the back. Nice details in the front as well. You can see the grille. Black chassis. This is every Fast and Furious fan's favorite. It's a collector's favorite as well. The black wheels also looks good with the silver body. It has silver rims with black tires. And again, you can check out the artwork. Card looks beautiful. So let's check out the next casting. The next casting from this set is the 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse. This was Brian O'Connor's Eclipse from the original Fast and Furious movie. It was green in the movie, but again, you can check out the silver finish on this one. Looks very premium. And you can see nice decals on the side. Side profile looks good. If you check out the front bumper and the front hood, very well detailed. Nice headlight detailings. Black color on the hood. Also on the roof, you can see very good details. And if you check at the back, 10 on 10 detailings. You can see the tail light details. Perfect. Again, you get a black chassis, silver rims with black tires. So if I have to rate all these castings, I would rate it 5 out of 5. There's no weak car in this casting. Very good details. Let's check out the next one. Friends, the next casting is 1995 Mazda RX-7. This was Han's car in the movie Fast and Furious. Perfect looking car. The curves of this RX-7 have been captured beautifully. Looks so cool. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can check the side profile. You'll be able to see good details at the side. Also on the hood as well, very good detailing. Nice headlight details, grille details, perfect. If you check at the back, perfect tail light details. You can see the spoiler, looks very good. Again, it has a black chassis, silver rims with black tires. Again, look at the card art, looks very premium. Hot Wheels has just nailed it with this set. It's their 25 years of Fast and Furious. Perfect set to have for collectors. Let's check out the next casting. The next casting is all-time favorite Toyota Supra. This casting is in black, and you can see the details at the side, the iconic Supra detailing. This was orange color car in the movie, but this black and silver finish looks very good. The graphics at the side, it's very beautiful. And if we check out the front end, 10 on 10, you can see the headlight details. Also, if you check on the hood, very nice detailing. And if you also check out from the back, perfect details, looks very good. So this should be the fan favorite from this set, although all the castings are very good. And again, it has a black base, silver wheels with black tires. You can see the spoiler as well, looks so cool. So friends, let's also review the weight of these castings. So friends, let's review the weight. So the first casting is 1993 Honda Civic. So if we check out the weight of this casting, it's 44 grams. Very good. The next casting is the 70 Dodge Charger RT. Wow, the weight is 53 grams. That's good. The next casting is 1995 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and the weight is 44 grams. So it's similar to the Honda Civic. The next casting is 1995 Mazda RX-7, and the weight for Mazda is 49 grams. Very good. Last but not the least, the Toyota Supra. Wow, 64 grams. Very good. So I suspect this has a metal chassis. So this makes it a soft chase from this set. So it has metal chassis and metal body, black finish. And my final verdict for this casting is 10 out of 10. The first favorite being the Toyota Supra, and then the Dodge Charger, and then the Mazda RX-7. And I would rate the Mitsubishi Eclipse, and then the Honda Civic. All beautiful castings, no weak car. So, friends, comment which is your favorite car from this set. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.